Hello everyone, my name is Thorsten and I'm gonna show you in this quick video how to use the new Brandfetch plugin for ChatGPT-4. What you have to do to enable this plugin and to use it for yourself. So first of all you need the premium plan from ChatGPT, of course. Then you need to go down here in your settings and go to the beta features and enable the plugins. This is important. You might also enable the browse with Bing feature as well. And yeah, first you have to do this. Then you are using a new chat. You are going to GPT-4 engine. Then you will see this drop down where you can choose the beta features, the plugins for example, that we are using here. Then you get a second drop down here with the plugins. As you can see, I already installed and enabled the Brandfetch, but I will show you where you can find it for yourself, because the first time you will not have this list of installed plugins. So you will see the plugin store. You can open it here, then you can search for Brandfetch. You will see this here, this badge here, and now you can install it. I already installed it, so it's in my list here of the installed plugins, and now I'm ready to go and to use it. So as you can see, here are my installed plugins. You can enable up to 3 plugins at the same time, but I will now enable only Brandfetch. And now I can go on and ask ChatGPT to use Brandfetch and create a brand guide for, I'm gonna use the company of a friend of mine, which is called embano.com, from Bremen, Germany, and let the magic happen. So the plugin gets into action. Now Brandfetch, it is fetching some informations about the company Embano. So you get the short description of the company. You get some assets, the logo, the colors. So it's pretty nice and fast. It collects all the data and gives you a description here. Let's wait a little bit. So now you get now it's finished. Now you can, for example, also you have all the data here, and you can also go to, for example, I have here the SVG. You have the now you have a page, a brand page on Brandfetch from Embano. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. I did the same for my own company, for as media in Bremen. It works the same. You get the logo, the icon, the fonts. It's also a page created here on Brandfetch. So it's a pretty nice plugin to get really fast access to the main data of the brand. So I hope you like my video and it has helped you, so give it a thumb up, and yeah, let's start using Brandfetch on ChatGPT. Have fun. Bye bye.